In Miami Beach, your entry door does more than welcome guests. It serves as a critical barrier against storms, forced entry, and everyday wear from coastal conditions. With hurricane season, salt air exposure, and high-value properties throughout the area, choosing an entry door with the right security features is essential. If you're upgrading or building new, here are the most important security features to look for in entry doors for Miami Beach homes. Impact-resistant glass. If your entry door includes glass inserts, impact-resistant glass should be at the top of your priority list. Impact glass is made with laminated layers bonded together with a durable interlayer. Even if struck by flying debris or force, the glass cracks but remains intact instead of shattering. This feature is essential in Miami Beach, where hurricane-force winds and airborne debris are real concerns. Beyond storm protection, laminated glass also makes forced entry significantly more difficult. Reinforced door frames. A strong door slab means little without a reinforced frame. Intruders often target weak door jambs rather than the door itself. Look for entry doors installed with reinforced strike plates, heavy-duty metal jambs, long, anchored screws securing the frame to wall studs. A reinforced frame strengthens the entire entry system and reduces vulnerability at critical stress points. Multi-point locking systems. Traditional single deadbolts offer basic security, but multi-point locking systems provide superior protection. These systems secure the door at multiple points along the frame, typically at the top, center, and bottom. When engaged, they distribute force evenly, making it much harder to pry or kick the door open. For Miami Beach homeowners seeking enhanced protection, multi-point locks offer both security and improved door alignment. Solid core construction. The material and core of your entry door matter. Fiberglass and steel entry doors with insulated solid cores provide durability and strength. Hollow core doors are far less secure and easier to compromise. Steel doors offer excellent resistance to impact, while fiberglass provides durability without rusting, an important consideration in salt-heavy coastal air. Corrosion-resistant hardware. Miami Beach's salty environment can quickly degrade standard hardware. Rusted hinges or weakened locks compromise both performance and security. Choose entry doors with stainless steel hinges, corrosion-resistant locks, coastal-grade finishes. These materials ensure your door hardware remains strong and functional over time. Advanced lock technology. Smart locks and keyless entry systems are becoming increasingly popular in Miami Beach homes. Modern electronic locks offer features such as remote locking and monitoring, temporary access codes for guests' activity tracking. When paired with reinforced doors and frames, smart locks add convenience without sacrificing security. Hurricane-rated certification. Entry doors in Miami Beach should meet South Florida Building Code requirements. Look for doors that are hurricane-rated and tested for impact and wind pressure resistance. Certification ensures the door has passed rigorous performance standards, providing peace of mind during storm season. Tight weather seals. While often associated with energy efficiency, tight weather seals also contribute to security. Properly sealed doors reduce gaps that could be exploited and prevent water intrusion during storms. Professional installation ensures the door fits securely and maintains full protective performance. A secure investment for Miami Beach homes. In Miami Beach, entry door security goes beyond basic locks. From impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames to corrosion-resistant hardware and hurricane-rated certification, every detail matters. By choosing an entry door built specifically for coastal conditions and enhanced security, you protect your home, your family, and your peace of mind, year-round.